Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make a spider tie-dye. I prep the shirt like normal and then I have it turned inside out. To start, I want to center the shirt. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to get both sides of the front of the shirt right up next to each other, and I'm also going to get both sides of the back of the shirt right up next to each other. That way the front of the shirt is going to look more similar after it's tie-dyed, and so will the back. So this part of the folding process is going to go pretty fast, but down below this video in the description is a link to another video which shows how to center a shirt. Okay, so now that the shirt is centered, I'm going to find a place on the shirt where I'd like to begin my spider, or the center of my spider to be. Basically the body of the spider. For this shirt, I'm going to put it just a little bit below the armpit level. Then I'm going to use a pair of locking tweezers and start spiraling the shirt. As I'm spiraling the shirt with one hand, I'm using my other hand to form additional folds in the shirt. Once I have the entire shirt spiraled, I'm going to hold the folds in place with some rubber bands. So initially, I thought that I was only going to do a little bit of red on this shirt and make the shirt mainly black and white. So that's what I started out doing. I started out using some Chinese red from Dharma Trading Company, and I put that right in the center of the spiral portion on one side of the shirt. Then I turned the shirt over and I covered the entire back side of the shirt with Raven Black from Dharma. I'm putting black on the entire back side of the shirt, but I'm not adding so much black dye that it just overtakes the entire shirt. Black is one of the really strong dye colors, so you kind of have to watch when you add black, not to oversaturate where it just overwhelms the whole shirt. So I went ahead and set the shirt aside after I added the black to the back and just left it alone. Then I was thinking about it and I thought, I think I want to make the rest of the shirt red and white too. So what I did was went ahead and flipped the shirt back over and I added Chinese red to the rest of the front side of the shirt. Then I set the shirt aside and allowed it to process for 24 hours. I didn't add a whole lot of red to the shirt, so I am still expecting and wanting some white left in the shirt. So after I allowed the shirt to process for 24 hours, I took the shirt to my utility sink and I started to rinse it in cold water. I rinsed the shirt in cold water to get out the soda ash that's remaining in the shirt. Then I untied the shirt and I gradually warmed the water up to hot and rinsed for just a little while, but instead of continuing to rinse for a long time, I prefer to go ahead and just add some hot water to my utility sink, along with a little splash of Blue Dawn dish detergent, and just allow the shirt to soak. Rinsing or soaking the shirt in really hot water helps to flush out any of the excess dye that didn't bond with the fabric. So after the water cooled off, I changed it out a couple of more times and continued soaking until the water was almost clear. At that point, I put the shirt into my washing machine and washed it using a hot water cycle and a little bit of Dharma's textile detergent. Then after the shirt was washed and dried, this is what it looks like. So what do you guys think? I really like the red, black, and white combination. I have a red and black spider and it has a little bit of white in it, and I wear that shirt all the time and I love it. So I thought I would make another one. But this time I wanted to use Chinese red. On mine, I think I used fire red. I'm not quite sure, it's been so long ago. But Chinese red has got a little bit more pink in it. It kind of leans more toward the pink side than fire red does. I think fire red leans more toward the yellow-orange side. And I like the cardinal red on this shirt. And I also like the white on this shirt. I normally don't leave a lot of white, but I think it looks really good on this shirt. But what do you guys think? Drop me a comment down below, and I sure would appreciate it if you would like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.